Besties, did you know that Initio now has hair perfume? I have been talking about it forever. This is it here. It is Musk Therapy and it smells so good. I just did one little spray and it's really good. And they also have the cream. I don't know if this is available everywhere yet, but yeah, the Musk Therapy cream. Haven't really tried it. It smells really good. I actually sprayed the one or tried the one from Atomic Rose, or no, I'm making that up, you guys. Oud for Greatness. Yeah, this one. And this is a hot and heavy. It smells identical to the fragrance. It's a little deeper, more sensual. It's perfect for fall, winter, but if you're brave enough, you can wear it year round. It's definitely gonna stand out. And I haven't tried it, but they also have one for Atomic Rose, our favorite. This smells like Delina exclusive, but it's definitely more of a, I don't know, I would say more unisex than Delina exclusive. So if you haven't checked it out, you need to. I highly recommend. Hello, beautiful besties. Okay, so you guys, listen, I had no idea, new find, so I'm sharing. We are at the London. It's in West Hollywood, Beverly Hills, yada, yada, yada. I think I should say Beverly Hills because the menu said Beverly Hills. So we are here. I had no idea that John Legend and Chrissy Teigen, is that what it, they're husband and wife, whatever, you guys, this is a part of their restaurant, right? And so we're gonna do this tonight. I'll share it with you. I believe they have, can you see this here? Do you see this flyer? Because y'all know I didn't read it, I just started talking to y'all. A night curated by John Legend, inspired by John's favorites. So these are his favorites, and I guess we're gonna try them and see how they are with a selection of wines and a little bit of nightlife. So that's what we're doing tonight. I have an event tomorrow with YouTube, so I didn't want to be late. So I am in town because it starts at 8 a.m. and I already told y'all how traffic is, so I cannot afford to be late. So I will be on time, bright eye and bushy tail. So the hotel is really nice. The rooms, oh my god, they're so spacious. They're not like, okay, but they're very, very spacious, and the property is gorgeous. They had a Saks Fifth. I don't know if I took you guys. Oh yeah, I did share that with you. It'll probably come after. I'll share with you. Musk Therapy, speaking of Initio Parfums, has a hair perfume now. They have a hair perfume and they have a body cream. Everything is featured in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. I don't know if it's on sale. I don't know, but I know that you can pick it up at Nordstrom because it is there. I did see it. So yeah, they have hair or Musk Therapy for the hair. They had Oud for Greatness. They had the candle. They had the body cream, and they. Oh, hi, how are you? Hi, and then no, it's okay, it's okay. You guys, I'm gonna call you back because we have a beautiful hostess here now, and she's gonna take our order and help us because you know I don't know what I'm doing. So stay by your phone. I'm gonna call you right back. Okay, bye. Well, I've seen it. Is it a black widow? I told you there were gonna be spiders. He's fighting for his life.
No, he's gonna climb right over here.
No, he's not. Oh my god. Oh god. What should we do?
Kill him.
I'm not gonna kill a spider.
For summer corn soup.
Summer corn.
Yarn.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good, good, thank you. Should I just fill it up for you?
Yeah, that's
A bit out here for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Do you have spoons? Yes.
Yeah, she brought them over. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Awesome, thank you.
Oh, that looks good. And it smells good.
Here too. Just crab fritters.
Crab fritters are in there, you guys. So now I'm about to do crab. Hello. Is she becoming a seafood girly? She's becoming a seafood girly.
You got going on there.
It's a lot.
That is a lot.
Alrighty. Take that out of your way.
Thank you.
Are we still working on this or no?
That's what I
The
have.
bread?
Oh no, we're
No?
done.
Okay.
No, we're done. Yeah, so I think that was just more. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow. I'm thinking, whose portion is that? Are you guys staying for dinner? Like,
We'll
is
join
that
you in a
yours?
bit.
Because I'm like, what is that? Who's eating that? Oh my god.
Can I take the rest of the soup?
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Cheers, folks.
Thank you. What is that?
It's like
An au jus sauce? Good morning, besties. We are rushing like usual. What else is new? Oh, I hope it's not gonna be a cloudy day. Hair is securing, outfit is on, I'm dressed, I am rushing. Let me share with you my fragrance of the day. I got a weird combo. I mixed Pesh Mirage with Peach Skin by Fleur, and my other one is in the bathroom because I'm gonna top it off with that before we head out. Last night was amazing, you guys. The bugs did run us off. It was like Spider-Man on a mission. They kept coming in, webs. I gotta stitch out right there. Put in webs, forming webs. This is like a linen suit. It's like a two-piece pant linen suit. I picked it up last year from Zara. So this is just to go to Nordstrom and do like a, what is it? We're gonna have breakfast and then we're gonna be able to shop. I didn't know if I wanted to wear, because it is kind of business, I would say casual. So I didn't want to tie it how I normally do. I kind of wanted to leave it kind of tucked, but then I feel kind of like, I don't know, kind of weird. So I don't know, I was tucking it, leaving it. I wanted one out, one in. I didn't know if that was a thing too. I don't know. Like, that gives me a little play. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to be so serious. These pants are super, super long. Oh, the third fragrance combo is this one. This is by Dolce & Gabbana, like Patrice. You know, I don't say that right. Who cares? Move on. But yeah, so I topped it with this because I wanted a little business, a little party. Peach Skin is just a love for me right now. And this is making it a little fun, fruity, a little fun, fruity, and flirty. So that's my reasoning for that. And this morning I did use my eye patches because we had a great time last night. The food was phenomenal, service was amazing. If you are in LA and you haven't checked out the London and did their rooftop experience, John Legend? John Legend? No, John Legend. His wine tasting, his wine pairing, it was a phenomenal experience. The service was so good. They're bringing my car up now, so I'm gonna shut up talking and get ready to go. What am I missing? What am I missing? Okay, hair is here. I don't think I'm gonna wear my hair up. I'm definitely gonna put it down, but I did just slick it back a tad bit just so that everything is done. Remember I told you last night I washed it and it came out really nice. You know, I just have this much leave out, you guys, that's all. Because we can't be doing the darn thing with the heat. I've already drank like 5 glasses of water. I haven't had any coffee yet because, oh, I need to take this light out of here. I haven't had any coffee yet because, oh, here is, I could show y'all a full OOTD. Hold on a second. Let me turn it around. Okay, so this is, look, do you see how long these pants are? You guys, please don't make fun of me. You don't wanna know what shoes I'm wearing. Okay, it's a long day, but I'm only wearing these to the top part of the day. My Crocs, oh my God. You guys, I'm obsessed with these shoes, but yeah, this is the outfit. It's really cute. It's giving classy, sophisticated, professional, but then at the same time, it's a linen pantsuit and it's summer, so why would you not? I feel like I'm always running and rushing. Gucci, did I share that with you guys? Gucci sent over, hold on, let me turn this light off because I'll need this for later on today. Gucci sent over a fragrance. It's really good. For me, when I smelled it, I wanted to wear it, oh gosh, it's good, on a date night. So I'm gonna take it to Vegas with me. We'll be going to Vegas soon and I'm gonna rock this there. I have a date night up there. So yeah, so I'm gonna rock it, but I'm gonna rock it before then, but that's where I've compartmentalized it. It's kind of sensual, sexy. It's definitely a heavy hitter in my opinion. So far. I can change my mind on any time. I don't know what it is with me that every time I do my makeup, for some reason out of nowhere, please let me know if you can relate. This light is so yellow, I absolutely hate it. I hate when they have yellow lights. Look at this light. Do you see that? It's so yellow. I don't know how my makeup came out in real life. But anyways, yeah. If you have makeup on, and for me, I don't know why it happens. Every single time I wear makeup, all of a sudden, my nose starts running. Why? I have no idea. So I will tap it, but I buy these just in case somebody else is going through it and you can relate. Please don't be grossed out, okay? This might be too much for some of y'all. Just turn the camera off, don't look, but then come back, okay? Don't leave for good. Take the bigger Q-tips that look like this. They have 2 sides, dual-sided, and I just go in and just do that just to stop it from running. You're not cleaning or digging. You're just like tapping just to stop it from running. I don't even know why it's running. I don't have a cold. I have no idea. Oh my God, I forgot to put bottom mascara on. Do I have time for this shenanigans? I don't. I mean, I don't care what time I get up. You know, I'm gonna be late. Well, not late, because it doesn't start until 8:15 is grace period, and I'm trying to get there like at 7:50 just to be prompt. You remember what happened to my cousin's party? In LA, you just don't know the weather. I mean, not the weather, you don't know the weather either, but you don't know the traffic. But I'm much closer. I'm about, I would say 2 miles away, so I should be able to get there. Okay, guys, let's go. Gosh. Okay. Bye. Huh?
You smell good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, I've got a concoction going on today. A little bit of everything. Are you a fragrance lover?
Ish.
A little
I
bit.
like them, but I never end up wearing them.
Oh, what's your favorite?
I don't even know what it's called. It starts with like a V. It's like in a green bottle.
Green?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not familiar. I was gonna say Valaya, but that's not in a green bottle. But that's a fabulous one if you ever have a chance to check it out.
Perfect. Thank
Have a
you.
good morning. Oh, God. All right. I think we're good. Oh, not me bringing this clip out the door. Excuse me, sir. Oh, I don't want to. Oh, shoot. I guess I should leave that in the door so they know. All right, y'all. Let's go. Should I have put in the GPS where I'm going? Yes. All right, guys, so now we are here and we're gonna get a quick little bite to eat. It's always so nice for Nordstrom to invite us and have us here before the store opens, you know, so we can come in and you already know exactly what I'm getting. Nice cup of coffee, you guys. I cannot wait. Oh, is that avocado toast? Absolutely. We love that. I would definitely want a coffee. They also have fruit, so I'll probably do that. Oh, did I see a parfait? I think I did. Oh, you guys, these are my favorite. I love a good parfait, so I'm probably gonna do that as well. All right, let me grab myself a table. They have muffins and banana bread.